One.
Okay, so number 7 is really similar to number 3. In number 3, you had to describe the transformations, but in number 7, you have to write an equation given a graph. And really, number 7 is all about finding the errors. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the A value. So if you don't have your about finding A value out yet, please get them out. They are dated September 28th. Pause the video now and find those notes. Okay, welcome back. So to find the A value, we got to start by finding the function family. So this graph right here, we have to determine if this is quadratic, absolute value, square root, cubic, or cube root. So this one, because it's shaped like a U, is quadratic. So that means I'm starting at the vertex, which is right up here. That's the turning point. It's either the top point or the bottom point, depending on which way it's facing. Okay, the next step is to move right 1 unit, not 1 box. So instead of just moving this little bit, we're going to move 1 whole unit to the right. Okay, and then step 3 says move up or down until you hit your offspring graph. So if I go up, I'm not going to hit it. If I go down, I am for sure going to hit it. I'm going all the way down until I hit the orange graph. So there we go. I hit it right here. So I could have made this arrow go down a little bit more. Okay, so this is going to be my A value. So what exactly did I do? I went down 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Because I went down, my A is going to be negative. So my A this time is -4 because I went down 4 units. The biggest mistake I saw here was people wrote -1 because it hit at -1. Doesn't matter where it hits at. It matters where you count. So talk about how far you count. So now we have to find the H and the K. So the vertex for a quadratic used to be right here. So it looks like it went from here to here. So that means it went up 3. So up 3. And then it had to go left 1. So that means my H value is going to be -1, and my K value is going to be +3. So I took this, and I got this equation right here from my gold page or my purple foldable, the back of my purple foldable, or I could have even gotten it from the function family pages, the purple packet in your binder, and I just copied it down. Now I'm just going to fill in what I know. I know the A is -4. I don't have a B this time, so I'm just going to get rid of B and the parentheses around it. This time I have an H. My H is -1, so I'm going to do the opposite of H, and then I'm going to put my K at the end the same. So my final equation is y equals -4 times the quantity x plus 1 squared plus 3.